You open an AI chatbot to write one email. Soon it is summarizing articles, planning your day, answering messages, explaining difficult ideas, and deciding which argument sounds right. Each time, you save minutes. But your brain may be learning something too. Thinking is optional. So, is artificial intelligence making your brain weaker? Not automatically. Your brain does not shrink every time you use ChatGPT. But whether AI strengthens or weakens human intelligence may depend on one difference. Does it support your thinking or replace it? Humans have always moved mental work outside the brain. A list stores memory. A calculator performs arithmetic. A map holds spatial information. Psychologists call this cognitive offloading. Offloading is not laziness. Removing simple mental work can free attention for harder problems. You do not need to memorize every phone number to remain intelligent. But generative AI is different from most older tools. A calculator gives you a number after you define the problem. AI can define the problem, organize the evidence, construct the reasoning, write the conclusion, and make the results sound like your own thought. That convenience can remove the mental steps through which understanding is built. Learning is not simply seeing a correct answer. Your brain learns when you retrieve information, make predictions, detect errors, and correct them. The struggle is not always an obstacle. Often, it is the process. A polished AI explanation creates familiarity. You read it and think, that makes sense. But recognizing an idea is not the same as reconstructing it. Close the chatbot and explain it without looking. The gap is the illusion of understanding. Researchers are starting to measure this trade-off. In a small MIT Media Lab study, 54 participants wrote essays using a language model, a search engine, or no tool. The no tool group showed the strongest and most distributed EEG connectivity. The language model group showed the weakest. AI users also had more difficulty accurately quoting their work and reported less ownership of it. This does not prove AI damages the brain. It was a small study of one task, and less brain activity during an easier task can simply mean the tool is doing more work. But that is the trade-off. Efficiency can reduce cognitive engagement. Another study surveyed 319 knowledge workers about 936 examples of generative AI use. Greater confidence in AI was associated with less reported critical thinking effort. The thinking also moved. People spent less effort gathering information and solving problems, than more effort verifying and integrating AI responses. That sounds efficient until AI is wrong. To detect a convincing mistake, you need knowledge. But if AI is teaching you a subject you do not understand, you may be the least qualified person to evaluate it. A confident answer can become borrowed confidence. Yet, AI can also strengthen thinking. Ask for a final answer, and it becomes a substitute. Ask it to challenge your reasoning, reveal one hint, build a test, or argue against your conclusion, and it becomes a tutor. The machine has not changed. Your role has. Use one rule. Brain first, AI second, brain last. First, attempt the problem yourself. Make a prediction, outline your argument, or identify exactly what you do not understand. Second, ask AI for feedback instead of surrendering the task. Ask, what did I miss? What evidence would prove me wrong? Or, give me one hint, not the solution. Finally, close the response and reconstruct the idea from memory. Explain it aloud as if teaching someone. If you cannot, you borrowed the answer, but you did not learn it. Every powerful tool changes human intelligence. Writing reduced the need for perfect oral memory, but enabled complex civilization. Calculators reduced routine arithmetic while expanding what humans could calculate. AI may weaken some forms of first draft thinking while strengthening skills in questioning, verifying, and connecting ideas. AI is not automatically making your brain weaker. It is making thinking easier to avoid. If every uncertain moment ends with you asking a machine before forming your own thought, AI may become more capable, while you become more dependent. But if you struggle first, challenge its answer, and rebuild the idea yourself, AI can extend your intelligence without replacing it. The most important human skill in the age of artificial intelligence may not be knowing every answer. It may be knowing which thoughts you should never outsource.